Hi, and welcome to Get Stretchy, your online resource for flexibility. You will be able to increase your flexibility and mobility throughout your entire body, plus you will strengthen your mind through mindful, positive meditations. As soon as you sign in, it will be personalized to you. You will be prompted for your stretch of the day. You'll know exactly what to do for that day so that you don't have to think about anything at all. I will give you every resource that you need to create a body that is free, moving, and flexible. The videos are only 15 to 20 minutes long, so it's very manageable to squeeze into your day. I have morning ones that are specifically meant for you to feel energized, to wake up, to breathe, and to feel alive. And then I have evening videos for you that are very restorative. They help to reset the body and they help increase flexibility because you're able to finally relax and let go. So if you are someone who is looking to free up your body, if you are looking to have an increased range of motion, if you have extracurricular activities and you're feeling tight, if you feel like you have pain, or if you feel like you're dragging or fatigued a lot, then this program is for you because stretching, increasing your breath, and meditating is the keys to becoming alive, to feeling free, and to live the life that you've always wanted to live. So I am so excited for you to get stretchy, and I will see you in there.